the Pickle Buddies Positive Jesus amigurumi, crochet amigurumi, and I just kind of wanted to show you. The brand sent us this to give us our honest opinion to you, so you can see what it looks like in person. Compared to my hand, you can kind of see the size of it. I do amigurumi myself, I crochet, so first thing I wanted to do when I was sent it was kind of look at the quality of it, and you can see it is good quality. Mine has a little bit of a different bottom than the listing, so just be aware of that. It may have changed. I'm not sure if this is an older one with just the red around here. It looks like some of the newer ones have a full red outfit, but it does have this cute little sign on there. And I do like that the sign, I thought maybe it was just slid in here. The sign is actually crocheted in, so it's going to stay there. And then you have your button beads here for the eyes. And then also you can see that it is good quality. None of the stuffing's coming out of here, and you can pull on the yarn and it stays where it's supposed to. So overall, I do think this would be a cute gift for anybody who's looking for a little positive aspiration gift, something for their desk, or if you have any church friends that you're wanting to purchase it for. I think that that is a good gift, and you can rest assured that it is good quality.